In the realm of DevOps, metrics and queries play a pivotal role in ensuring the efficiency and effectiveness of development processes. They provide insights into various aspects of the development lifecycle, from code quality to deployment frequency. By designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries, teams can make data driven decisions, identify bottlenecks, and continuously improve their workflows. This presentation will delve into the importance of metrics and queries, the types of metrics to consider, and best practices for implementation. Metrics are essential for measuring the performance and health of development processes. They help teams understand how well they are performing against their goals and identify areas for improvement. Metrics provide a quantitative basis for decision-making, enabling teams to track progress, detect issues early, and make informed adjustments. Without metrics, it would be challenging to gauge the effectiveness of DevOps practices and drive continuous improvement. There are several types of metrics that are crucial in a DevOps environment. These include performance metrics, which measure the speed and efficiency of processes, quality metrics, which assess the reliability and stability of the software, and business metrics, which evaluate the impact of development activities on business outcomes. Each type of metric provides unique insights and helps teams focus on different aspects of their development and operational processes. Performance metrics are vital for understanding the efficiency of development and operational processes. Key performance metrics include deployment frequency, lead time for changes, and mean time to recovery, MTTR. Deployment frequency measures how often new code is deployed to production, indicating the agility of the team. Lead time for changes tracks the time taken from code commit to deployment, reflecting the speed of the development pipeline. MTTR measures the average time to restore service after an incident, highlighting the team's ability to respond to issues. Quality metrics focus on the reliability and stability of the software being developed. Important quality metrics include defect density, code coverage, and change failure rate. Defect density measures the number of defects per unit of code, providing insights into code quality. Code coverage assesses the percentage of code covered by automated tests, indicating the thoroughness of testing. Change failure rate tracks the percentage of changes that result in failures, helping teams understand the impact of their changes on system stability. Business metrics evaluate the impact of development activities on business outcomes. Key business metrics include customer satisfaction, revenue impact, and time to market. Customer satisfaction measures how happy customers are with the product, reflecting the quality and usability of the software. Revenue impact assesses the financial benefits of development activities, indicating the return on investment. Time to market tracks the time taken to deliver new features or products, highlighting the team's ability to meet market demands. Designing effective metrics involves understanding the goals of the organization and the needs of the stakeholders. Metrics should be aligned with business objectives and provide actionable insights. It's important to involve all relevant stakeholders in the design process to ensure that the metrics are meaningful and useful. Additionally, metrics should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART, to ensure they provide clear and actionable information. Implementing metrics requires the right tools and processes. Teams should use automated tools to collect and analyze data, ensuring that metrics are accurate and up-to-date. It's also important to establish a process for regularly reviewing and updating metrics to ensure they remain relevant. Teams should create dashboards and reports to visualize metrics and make them easily accessible to all stakeholders. Regularly reviewing metrics helps teams stay on track and make data-driven decisions. Queries play a crucial role in extracting meaningful insights from data. In a DevOps environment, queries are used to retrieve specific information from data sources, enabling teams to analyze metrics and make informed decisions. Queries can be used to identify trends, detect anomalies, and drill down into specific issues. By designing effective queries, teams can gain a deeper understanding of their development processes and identify opportunities for improvement. Designing effective queries involves understanding the data structure and the information needs of the stakeholders. Queries should be designed to retrieve relevant and accurate information, providing insights that are actionable. It's important to involve stakeholders in the design process to ensure that queries meet their needs. Additionally, queries should be optimized for performance to ensure they run efficiently and do not impact system performance. Implementing queries requires the right tools and techniques. Teams should use query languages and tools that are appropriate for their data sources, such as SQL for relational databases or KQL for Azure Monitor. It's important to test queries thoroughly to ensure they return accurate results. Teams should also establish a process for regularly reviewing and updating queries to ensure they remain relevant and effective. By implementing effective queries, teams can gain valuable insights and drive continuous improvement. To ensure the effectiveness of metrics and queries, teams should follow best practices. These include involving stakeholders in the design process, aligning metrics and queries with business objectives, using automated tools for data collection and analysis, and regularly reviewing and updating metrics and queries. Additionally, teams should create dashboards and reports to visualize metrics and make them easily accessible. By following these best practices, teams can ensure that their metrics and queries provide valuable insights and drive continuous improvement. Let's explore a case study of a successful implementation of metrics and queries in a DevOps environment. A software development team at a large enterprise was struggling with long lead times and frequent production issues. By designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries, they were able to identify bottlenecks in their development pipeline and improve their processes. They used performance metrics to track deployment frequency and lead time for changes, quality metrics to monitor defect density and change failure rate, and business metrics to measure customer satisfaction and revenue impact. By regularly reviewing these metrics and using queries to drill down into specific issues, they were able to make data-driven decisions and achieve significant improvements in their development processes. In conclusion, designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries is essential for driving continuous improvement in a DevOps environment. Metrics provide valuable insights into the performance, quality, and impact of development activities, while queries enable teams to extract meaningful information from data. By following best practices and involving stakeholders in the design process, teams can ensure that their metrics and queries are effective and aligned with business objectives. The next steps involve implementing the discussed strategies in your own organization, regularly reviewing and updating metrics and queries, and using the insights gained to drive continuous improvement.